This is the root chakra flute in the key of C minor, and it's part of our Earth Tone series, which is tuned to a frequency of 432. It's made out of walnut. It is a bass flute, so we make it in high C and low C. It's a good sized flute, so it does take first of all, some experience to play it. Someone that wants to play a bass flute, it'd be good to start with a mid-tone flute first. So it takes some experience in terms of playing the flute, and unfortunately, because it's large and the fingering holes are good size, it will require someone with good sized hands to be able to play it. But if you can, it's got a beautiful voice, and here it is.